Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today we are gonna be making some beef stew. So I already have my beef in here. So we're gonna go ahead and steam our meat. We're gonna be using some dry thyme to kind of season our meat. I have my garlic powder, onion powder, because you don't want to do too much salt on that because beef is already salty. Okay. Hey guys, so today that's what we're going to be using for our stew. So we have in here we got some bell pepper, we got green onions, we got regular onions like the red onions, we got green and red bell pepper, we got our ginger, we have a lot of garlic, fresh rosemary, and then a pot of pepper. So we're just going to go ahead and blend all those into one container. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that into our chopper right here. Our meat is still boiling. Let it boil some more. Our meat is ready now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Okay guys, we'll go ahead and put in our meat, our beef in there. Let that steam a little bit. Okay guys, here's our maggi. So while we're waiting on our stew to cook, I got some water in here and I'm adding salt to that water, and we're going to be boiling some plantain. So as you can see guys, I already washed my plantain, so I'm going to go ahead and peel it. Guys, as you can see, our stew is almost ready, so I'm going to leave it open instead of covering it. So guys, our water is boiled now, so we're going to go ahead and add in our plantain. Okay, guys, you can see our stew is ready, and you can have this stew with whatever rice, plantain, cocoa, whatever, gari, whatever you want to have this way, you can have this way. Okay, our stew is ready to go, and look how delicious that looks. Hey guys, so our plantain is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Okay, and you will love it. Thank you guys for watching so much. So if you like this recipe and everything that I did today, go ahead and like, share, comment in the section below. Tell me how I did. Please guys, share my video, hit the channel, the comment section in below, and let's get this, channel moving, yo.